How to schedule break on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok application and you have to go for your profile on the bottom right corner. Once you are here, click on these three bars on the top right and simply go for the setting and privacy. Once you have entered here, you have to scroll down to the screen time. Simply click on it. And once you have entered here, as you can see, screen time breaks, simply click on it. And it will open up this page where you have to click on this schedule break. And you can choose 10, 20 or 30 minutes, or also you can go with custom time, but it has a limit of 60 minutes only. So let's go for the done button. And now I have taken a schedule break for 60 minutes. So that's how basically you will schedule break on TikTok.